Hey, it's Living Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, we are going to be making plantain balls or plantain balls, splatters, or Tostones, however you call it. That's what we're going to be making. You saw the picture of this video, so you know exactly what we're going to be making. So let's get started. Let me show you what you need in order to achieve these beautiful plantains. So here is what you need in order to achieve what we're doing today. You are going to need tomato, onion, bell peppers. I have orange, yellow, and red. Lime, this is optional. Leek leaves, parsley, basil, and cilantro. Of course, your plantain, you want to make sure that the plantain is green. If it's not green, it shouldn't be too ripe. Like this is still hard. It should be just getting yellow, but it's not really ripe because you don't want ripe plantain. Along with that, you're going to need cooking oil, salt, white pepper, black pepper. If you eat spicy food, you're going to add some red pepper flakes, and of course you need your garlic. Our filling is going to be made with salmon and shrimp. We are going to start by cutting all our vegetables. Make sure you wash them first. Then we're going to move on to peeling the plantain, and we'll be ready to start the cooking process. Let's peel the plantains. Here we have our pot ready. We're going to add some oil. I'm using here peanut oil. You can use whatever oil you want. I cook with peanut oil and I use other oils to fry. So while this pot is getting ready, I am going to also add some oil into this little pan to fry my plantain. I usually fry my plantain in a deep fryer, but I'm not going to turn on a whole big deep fryer just for it. So I'm going to fry mine here today. And we're going to add some oil. And this is soybean oil. This is what I use to fry. The oil is ready, so I'm going to be adding my onions first. Next, we're going to add our leek leaves and bell peppers together. Then tomatoes. Garlic, half a teaspoon. We are going to introduce the plantain. Be careful when you put it. You can use like a kitchen tongue for it if you want. You want the plantain to be immersed into the oil, so you want to deep fry it. Our vegetables are ready. We are going to add our salmon and season it and let it cook. So for the salmon, what we're going to do is we are going to season it. Salt to taste. White pepper to taste. Black pepper to taste, and of course your red pepper flakes to taste if you eat pepper. Turn the fire on medium, low to medium, and you're just going to let this cook slowly. And then as it cooks, you can just mash it because this is all going to be mixed together. I'm going to add my cilantro and parsley. So our sauce is ready. We are going to turn off the fire and season the shrimp to be fried. Okay, we're going to season our shrimp with salt, white pepper, and black pepper. Let's fry the shrimp. So our plantain is ready. We're going to remove the plantain, and using this dumpling maker, I'm going to try to see if I can use this to make it. If not, I'm going to show you another option. This is the first time I'm going to be using this. Usually what I do is I use a bowl like this, and I use one of these, and then I'll just match it inside. But today I'm going to try today I'm going to try this to see how it works. So I'm going to grab my plantain one at a time. This is after you have cooked the plantain for about 3 to 4 minutes. Based on how high the fire is, you will figure out. So first time, I want to see how it works. So pretty much you're going to put this in here and we're going to see if it works. It doesn't look like it's going to work, but I'm just going to press on my plantain a little bit. I'm just going to... Oh, it's working. It's working, but it's not going to look the way I want it to look like. So I am not going to be using this option because it's flat and I don't want my plantain to be flat. I want it to look like a bowl. So I'm going to go in with... Whoop, it's hot. I'm going to go ahead and use the old version. I'm going to put 2 plantains in here and I'm going to use this to match it. It might stick a little bit on the bowl. Just use like a sharp knife. And you have it right there. Look at that. Ooh. That's it. I'm going to put on the side and then I'm going to do the rest. In there. Press down. Don't press too hard, press enough to mash the plantain when it's in the bowl. Because if you press too hard, you're gonna break it. That's what it looks like. So to get it out, I'm just gonna take a knife, just gonna shake it a little bit with the knife. And it should be able to come out easily. There you go. So what we're going to do next is in the bowl, put some water with salt. And once you have this done, you're just going to dip that in your salted water and you're going to put it into your oil to fry it again to get that crispy look and feel and taste. Just like that. Don't soak it too much, just a little bit. Put in your oil. It's time to assemble our plantain bowls with our salmon. We have here our shrimp and here is our salmon. First thing first, I'm going to take my platters and put it in there, of course. So now let's add our ingredients inside. these are plantain bowls or tostones or plantain splatters, however you call it. I like to call it plantain bowls with whatever filling you decide to put in, right? You can have this as an appetizer or as a snack. Hopefully you learned something new in this video, and hopefully you're going to make this to wow your guests at your next get together. Let's do a taste test because whew, I'm so excited to eat this. So I'm actually gonna do the taste test from this bowl because I gotta take pictures, you know? So I'm gonna take this one. So excited to eat it. Okay, I need something else. It's really good. It's so crunchy. I love when it's crunchy. So that crunchiness of the plantain plus the spices and the salmon and the shrimp, out of this world. You gotta try this recipe because it's so good. It's that good. Oh, I'm unavailable. They know they see me. If you made it this far in the video, I'm so grateful for you. I am thankful and I'm grateful for you. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah.